How do you use an individual batch flour remedy? Well, this is the individual batch flour remedy. And if I woke up one morning and I was feeling like I had a big, dark, gloomy cloud over my head, despite the fact that nothing had changed since yesterday, I might want to reach for the remedy mustard, which is the remedy for that feeling where you kind of feel disconnected with joy. It's as if there's a big dark cloud sitting on your head and you can't shift it. Maybe it feels like you got out the wrong side of the bed. So you want to take mustard. This feeling has just happened, so it's going to shift fairly quickly. So you can choose to use the individual remedy just using 2 drops either on your tongue, so you can take it 2 drops on your tongue, or you can add those 2 drops into a glass of water or a cup of tea. Maybe it's your first cup of coffee in the morning. You can add 2 drops of mustard into that drink and you can sip away on it. And you can take subsequent doses if you feel that it hasn't shifted. But if you feel it's shifted, then you don't need to take any more. So you just have to reassess it as the day goes on. You know, sometimes I take 2 drops and then wander around for 10, 15, 20 minutes and then reassess and think, well, okay, no, I'm not feeling any better, and I would take another dose. And I would say that if an emotion has just come in, it tends to balance very quickly. So that's how you can take an individual remedy just for a passing mood. Okay, so you don't have to make up a remedy bottle. You know, we talk about making up a mixing bottle. You don't have to make up a mixing bottle if you think that it's just come in and it's going to move quickly. Alrighty.